In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop shapes on Canva. We're going to use Canva's built-in frames to place your photos into precise shapes like circles or triangles, and I'll walk you through how to position everything so it looks clean and professional. Start by opening Canva and heading into your design, the canvas where you want to work. Once your design is open, look to the left sidebar and click on the Elements tab. In the search bar at the top of Elements, type the word Frames. Frames are special placeholders that automatically mask your image into whatever shape you choose, so they're perfect for quick, consistent cropping. Click See All under Frames to browse the full gallery. You'll find simple shapes like circles, squares, and triangles, along with more decorative options. Choose the shape you want and click it to add it to your canvas. Before adding your photo, feel free to drag the corners of the frame to resize it and place it where you want on the design. Setting the size and position first makes it easier to get your crop right on the first try. Now insert your image. If you've already uploaded your photo, go to the Uploads tab. If you want to use a stock image, open the Photos tab. Drag the image from the panel on the left and drop it right onto the frame on your canvas. When you let go, the photo snaps into the shape automatically. If it doesn't snap, make sure you drop it directly over the frame until you see the highlight indicating it's about to be placed. To refine the crop, double-click the framed image to enter the crop view. You'll see the photo within the shape's boundary. Click and drag the photo to reposition it so the most important part sits in the center of the frame. Use the corner handles to scale the photo larger or smaller within the shape without distorting it. Keep an eye on edges and faces so nothing important gets cut off. Take your time. Small adjustments often make a big difference in the final look. When you're happy with the placement, click Done to lock in the crop. You can still move or resize the entire frame afterward on your canvas, and your photo will remain neatly masked inside the shape. And that's all there is to it. You've learned how to find frames, drop in your image, and fine-tune the crop for a clean, polished result. Thanks for watching.